Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a campaign on Cloudrep. So a campaign is basically a series of outbound calls that your agent will make to a list of contacts. So we can start by going to campaigns here on the left. It's under create, click campaigns, and then we click add new campaign. Click create from AI agent. Now we have a few settings here. We can give it a name, call it test. Sending type, so we can either make the campaign immediate, or we could schedule it to start at a certain time, or we can make it recurring so it, for example, happens once every Monday or once every Wednesday, etc., etc. And then what we could do is choose a contact list. So we have one here, it's just called test. We made this in another tutorial actually. And then we can select an AI agent. Now, there actually aren't any AI agents available on this account, but all your AI agents will show up here if you have any. And you can also add a time restriction by clicking this, and this basically specifies when the campaign can make calls. So if you have a campaign that's running for a while, it will only make calls in this time frame. So let's set this back to immediate, and let's get rid of this. Once you've filled everything out, you can click Create AI Campaign. Unfortunately, since we don't have an agent here, we can't do it. But on any account where you do have an AI agent, you'll be able to select it here, click AI Campaign, and it will show up behind me in this list. Now, just to reiterate, what's going to happen when you make an AI campaign is it's going to call every number in your contact list. For example, here we have the contact list test. If we go to my contacts here, if I actually made this campaign, it would call each of these people one at a time. It would call Sarah Johnson, then it would call John Smith, then it would call Christopher Thomas, and so on and so on. This is just dummy data. This is not real data, but that's what it would do.